light was on.
Ow, ow,
Hey, turn the light on.
Truce, please. I don't want my dick torn off.
Oh God, I don't want to be in this.
Alright. My dick's been through enough for the night.
I can't sit in the pee spot, babe.
It's okay, I cleaned it.
That don't matter, it's still wet.
Put her pillow on it.
That's not my shoulders, so.
It's not a pillow, is it?
Yeah, man.
That's comfortable.
No, don't turn it off.
Turn the light off.
No, I can't because then I can't see it or record.
What the fuck you recorded?
Wait,
fuck you, asshole. Fuck you. You pissed on my couch. Now you go to pay. You pay me money. Now. Now?
Wake up, what's time?
Yeah, you're right.
I pee-pee on the couch.
I go pee pee on
She needs a whole
couch.
diaper.